Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a poll on Facebook. Alright, so at the time of filming this video, you can only do a Facebook poll on Facebook groups and Facebook fan pages. Before, you were able to do a Facebook poll on your profile, but they have since then taken that feature off of your profile. And I'll show you here, as if you were going to do a post. I'm here on my profile right now. You used to be able to find it here, and it would be one of the options listed here, and you could create a poll, but now it's only for Facebook groups and Facebook fan pages. So I'm going to go over to my Facebook group right here. It's called Creative Business Success, and we're going to create a quick poll and show you guys how this works. So you're just going to go to the area where you would make a post, and the three dots here will extend out and you can see the poll option. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to look something like this, and I'm now going to ask a question. So this is a really easy way to get people's input, and it's super easy for people to vote and stuff instead of actually typing things out. People would rather just click a poll. So I'm going to ask, what is your favorite social media platform to use? ? And then I'm going to add the options here. So I'm going to add YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And initially they give you 3 options, but you can add more options. You can also add pictures as well. So I'm going to add also Twitter, and I'll put other, and then I'll say something like, please list in comments. So if there's one that here that's not listed, they'll click that one and then add something in the comments. Okay, so what is your favorite social media platform to use? Okay, and then they've also got some poll options here. And it's got 2 options here. You can allow anyone to add options. You can, right now that's checked. If you uncheck it, then people will not be able to add options. And then if you don't want people to choose multiple options, then you would uncheck this. But some people might vote for a bunch of things. Some people might vote for Facebook and YouTube, or Facebook and Instagram, and that's okay. This is just a generic poll. And you can also schedule this poll as well. So if you click on this, a little calendar is going to come up, and you can schedule this for the future if you don't want it to post right now. But I want it to post right now so I can show you guys. So that's it right there. I'm going to click post. And if we scroll down here, here we go. I've created the poll, and this is what it looks like. And it's very easy for people to vote. So for me, I'm going to vote right now and click one. YouTube is my favorite social media platform. And then the person's face will come up here and it'll show their little mini profile picture. Like I said, you can also do this on Facebook fan pages. So if you go to the fan page, this is our fan page right here, and you click the 3 dots where you would make a post, you will also see the poll option as well. Now you won't see it on your Facebook profile as they took that option away. So this is how you create a poll in Facebook. It's really easy to do, and it's a really great way to get input from a large number of people. Feel free to come check out our Facebook group, Creative Business Success. We are always answering people's questions there, posting a ton of resources, doing contests. You guys can find a link for that down in the description below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If we were able to help you out, please let us know by giving us a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.